Billie Jean sa snap nose.
Ayun o. Uy, MVP. Uy. 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 Nice one na suro.
Nice receive.
Uy, Jero. Uy.
Nice Jet. Yeah, nice receive.
Uy.
Uy, wala.
Boy ba?
Boy pa ang bola. Nice Jet. Nice Jet talaga. Sabi ng analytics, nice Jet!
Nabitin!
Alright. Pablo. Okay.
Mabantayan natin yung score. Carlo magsaserve.
Let's go! Alright, go Pablo. Okay, tahan nito. Alright.
Baka bukas na
Oy, nice Jets.
Ay, go
The
Francine!
dive from Jets. Suro. Pumalo. Number 1 sa Senado.
Ito na po.
The block coming from Jero.
Pinagtanggal na po ng headband. Seryoso na.
Analytics coming alive. After the timeout.
Ito na po.
Uy, ayun.
Uy, good pa.
Jam. Nice receive.
Okay.
Great execution by the analytics team. Ayun na. Good play.
Ay, too small.
Too small daw. Sa too small selling by Asuro from the analytics.
Wala na pong
Team
headband.
quality pa.
Wala na pong headband na suro.
The headband is off.
Oo, seryoso na to. Wala na headband.
Lalabas na yung
Nice
hairline!
Jet.
Labag!
Okay. Jero.
Alright.
Uy. Outside.
Outside. Okay.
Iba talaga ba nakalabas na hairline? Yes!
UI. Natin score 16-11. Oh, 16-11. 16-10.
16-10.
Alright, 16-10. Okay, we're at quality team.
Ramos. Uy, nabali ka.
Ayan. Uy! Ayan! Nabagal yung shyness mga kapatid.
Captain Paul Jero.
Miscommunication from the direct miscommunication from the quality team. No?
Piling ko yung buhok eh.
Ito na. Zero, serve.
Diba?
Receive by Asuro. Kaya ako, sinasabi ko, pag nakalala sa lobby pa, inuuna ang sigaw.
Oo. Sumigaw muna bago inabot.
Huwag niyo gulatin si Francine! Nagulat ko eh!
Huwag na gugulatin, Ramos. No, nakita ang witness.
James, okay na yung James.
Ayun. Oh.
Ay! Uy!
Grabe, Asuro.
Asuro with the too small selly.
The too small. Ang ganda ng alamak. Mukhang
Jason.
may pinapatay ng UI. This is our home turf. Ayan na.
Diyan, with the return.
Uy!
Alright. Sorry daw, sabi ni Jana, pero okay na daw, sabi ni Team.
Mukhang may statement na pinapakita ang UI partner.
Sino ba yung aeroplano?
Ayun o.
Yun! Nada ka okay. Okay lang yan.
Yung score ko.
Score natin.
Grabe yung score eh!
9-2.
Ano ba yan?
Alright, pito po ang minahabol ng analytics team.
Mainit ang score.
6 points para manalo sa set na to ang quality. Make that 5 partner. 20 points na.
Hindi landslide.
5 points na lang. 5 wins away. Parang Dallas Mavericks. Diba? 5 games na lang.
Ayun,
Yun,
Jason.
kasi. Alright.
Binigay sa birthday girl. Binigay sa
Happy birthday daw sa'yo.
Ang
Rabia.
naka-uniform pa kasi!
4 points remaining for the quality team. Kaya pa bang habulin din ng analytics? All the parts.
Kaya pa yan. Hanggat ano pa.
Hanggang
Ayun,
ayun.
diba? Nabate.
A costly mistake.
Lawayan nyo, lawayan nyo!
Parang force error. Alright. Ayan, with the service.
Ayan.
Billie Jean is not my lover. Alright. Alright.
Nagulat ulit, Ramos.
Na-taken aback na naman si Ramos. 1 point game.
Ayun na.
Ay, the service. Ramos good.
Ramos.
The second really the Lord. Hindi na pala out na pala. Tumama na daw sabi na yun.
Nasa maong ang start yun. Nasa maong.
Oo. Nasa mga ang pag-ibig.
Ayun na ako, Ben!
Ayan na.
Wala nang
The headband is off. The service is also in. Unlike the headband, the service is in partner.
Tumabingit, partner. Tumabingit.
Tumabingin. With 2 points away from a win, Asuro with the service. And,
Uy!
another miscommunication.
Jude, tinamaan.
Alright. Tumama sa Jets.
Rumble din.
Hindi nalilipad. Ang Jets. Mama.
Outside.
Ano ba yung papadali?
Alright. Everything is in Lance.
Tatapusin
No
na ba ng
pressure kay
QI?
Lance, pero 10 points. Kailangan sunod-sunod.
Tatapusin na ba ng QI?
Or will it be a major comeback?
Ayun o! Uy!
Nice.
Nabitin
Medyo kinulang ng konti na intimidate ni Jets.
Nabitin ng MVP.
Nice. 1 point at a time by the Analytics All-Stars. What a service. Costly mistake, but mistake nonetheless. First set goes to our quality.
Ay, nagkakaroon po ng
Opo. Sabi ng scorer natin sa analytics ang unang set. Change court po tayo mga kapatid. First muna sa kanan.
Mukhang magpapalit tayo ng
Alright, we ended at 25-16 in favor of the quality team. Time out muna tayo mga kapatid.
Nako, may dagdag bawas ang
Ayun. Kaya pala medyo hindi nagmamasyado. Nakikita ko, tama naman yung score sa papel. Pero bakit yung nasa board? Ayun.
Mukhang kailangan ko i-dispute ang scorer.
Sabi ng quality team, hanggang dito ba naman nagtatrabaho kami? We're still maintaining quality and accuracy of the score.
Kailangan ko natin bantayan ng may team ng ating scorer.
Partner, balita ko may lalaro ngayong matindi sa quality team.
Meron ba? May
Oo.
Uy,
For the first time since their championship game, Sabater will join the ball game.
partner, kita mo naman yung calves ni Sabater. Gigil na gigil yan. Ready?
Partner, pinafollow ko to sa Instagram at grabe naman talagang pagtakbo nito sa pag ginagamit niya yung stationary bike. Diyos ko, kitang-kita ko ang calves niya. Kaya habulin kahit sino. And the birthday girl will join the ball game.
Ayun, no? May
Ayan, talaga yan.
birthday na nga, nanalo pa. Grabe naman partner.
Gusto na nag-birthday na, gusto na nanalo din.
Grabe yung calves nila.
Wala na bang ibang gusto ano, yan, something to be the same. Waist mataas daw ang tingin, sabi. Alright, analytics team.
Okay, change na yun din ng analytics.
Change player, Mark.
At nandito na
Playing
yung
his first ball game, 3 weeks in to Wells Fargo.
gusto ko lang i-shoutout. Rico Licious, si Sondo Clo.
Yun, talaga naman may pag-point pa.
Oo, ayan na. Magiging game changer ba to?
Alright. Sige. Ariel and Danny in for the ball game.
Shoutout kay Kyra.
Go Analytics!
Go Kyra! Nako, babantayan po natin ang scorer. Mukhang dalawa na po ang pabor sa analytics.
Dalawang libero ng analytics team.
Ayan na. Uy, naku, may pa-picture pa. Grabe naman. Kanina walang nagpipicture sa
Yung,
scorer.
nice to see. Alright, Jero with the receipt.
Uy,
Uy, nakalihan.
Nagkaya.
Okay lang po, sabi ng analytics team, dahil pumabol sa kanilang puntos.
Yung lineman natin, puro kuha ng picture, partner. Dito naman sa QI, lineman.
Nasa kanya yung camera pa.
Nasa naman.
Alright.
Ramos,
Ramos.
Ramos.
Nasobrahan sa posing. Ang bilis po ng turnaround ng score ng analytics.
Nakamake up pa yan, partner.
Bigla na lang nagka-score yung analytics kanina, partner. No? Wala pang hindi pa bumabagsak yung bola, umiikot na yung score.
Partner, pili ko panalo ang analytics. Saan pa? Sa lineman, sa scorer.
Yes, sir.
Alright. Pina.
Salut.
Uy.
Nice. Alright, 2-1 ng ating score from the defending champs.
Birthday ka ni Rabia, so ibigay niya sa kanya bro.
Yun.
Uy!
What a loss.
Habol!
Oh, yeah, with the pass.
Okay, outside.
Outside.
Revelicious, nag-ready ng
Hindi ko pa yan talagang kasama dito talaga yung kaba. Makakabawa.
Yung tension, no?
May tension talaga dito. Nakikita na sa mga mukha ni Jerry yung gigil.
Kailangan ng analytics ng konting cheer. Nasaan ang analytics natin? Sayang yung mga cheer natin dyan.
Shoutout tayo
Ayun,
kayo.
ayun.
Pati yung scorer natin, nag-cheer sa analytics. Yun. Jumping
Nice
serve.
one, Gani. Jero.
With the
Ayun,
return.
MVP talaga. Grabe.
Ang lalabas. Yan, with the return.
MVP si
Received by
Ramos.
Kirby. Kirby with the stump. No.
Ayun.
Yun.
MVP sa MVP.
Yun. Mark.
Ayun, Ramos.
Ramos.
Binalik. Uy! Yun lang.
But it's outside.
Nice effort sa analytics.
Nice effort.
Hinihingi ko pa rin yung moment ni
1-4. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
2-3.
1-4. Hindi. Ay, analytics. Tama.
Tama.
Apple ng analytics.
Binerify ng ating official.
Hindi. QA. 1-4. 1-4.
Ayun na po, nagkakaroon ng tension sa scorer.
Kirby with the serve.
Ay,
Grabe
ayun
naman
lang.
pala ng service. Kaya pala ako nagkaka-PTSD dun sa service. Parang natanggap ko yung last game.
Partner, ito yung secret weapon ng QI. Ay, too small.
Too small, Sally.
Too small si Kirby.
Pero
Captain
may,
ball sa captain ball.
yung fans natin dito, humihiling ng land service.
Isang lang service.
Oo.
Ako rin tulisyo sa hinihintay ko partner.
Yun.
Ay,
Nasusunod.
Dani. Ayun. Tinignan ni Dani, baka mayroong tao sa parking. Nasa baba, ang kalaban.
Yung seventh member.
Si Santol baka maging salted egg.
Ayun na.
Medyo...
Ayun na si Kirby. Oy, captain ball sa captain ball. Oy, nice. Oy!
Jesus! The power of the block. What a nice...
Kagulat si Rico Licho.
Oo. Hindi mo ba nakita yun? Nakaniyon din na.
Oo, inalunan sa mukha si Rico Licho.
Nasilaw. Madahilan si Nicolicious. Mark with the service. 3 weeks in. What a service is. Hindi man lang nakapala. Partner, grabe no?
Ito na, mukhang nagigigil ang analytics partner.
Okay, is this the return of the comeback?
Okay, nice serve.
Oh, what a service is.
Ano
Mukhang nakita na natin ang X-Factor ng Analytics All-Star.
Ayun
Sabi
na.
ni Mark, pa-jersey na niya.
jersey.
Magic Robot.
Ayun o.
Another service.
Rico Licho!
Goodness Jesus! Parang pinektusan ang service. Sunod-sunod, the third consecutive score.
Nagreklamo na ang QI, Rico Lichos.
Huwag niyo sabihin yung pangalan na preparation.
What a blessing. Birthday.
In, tumama ka.
In.
Out!
Tumama.
In ba out?
In daw, in.
In.
Tumama ka.
Ba't yung mami sila?
Umamin sa kabiya. Magsisinungaling ba siya birthday niya
Huwag
ngayon?
nang ano yan, birthday yan.
Alright, we are all tied up here.
Pinangalan kami sinungaling.
Mahal
Okay, nice serve.
May service.
Oy, captain ball sa captain ball. Oy, nice
Yan,
return. Birthday
The
girl.
birthday girl. Jero with a set.
Oy,
Nakahiya.
nakakabula. Oy! Si Lance, let's
Yo,
go.
Analytics takes the lead for the first time in this ball game.
Buhayin ang ating analytics.
Analytics all-star team. Woohoo! Mark with the service. Kanina pa ito namumulong. Partner.
Out. Yun lang. Nabate.
Okay na. Sabi ng Analytics All-Stars, nakailang puntos din siya doon. Parang
Ito na yung
naka-4.
birthday girl. Ito yung hinihintay natin.
Birthday girl with the service. Birthday serve.
Isang shoutout sa birthday girl ulit.
Okay na po. Sabi may ngayon.
Ayun na.
Yeah.
Oy! Pa-birthday kami Rabia yun.
Pinatamis ni Jero, pero sabi niya, outside daw, hindi ko na lang titirahan. Inabangan, pero iniwan sa ere. Sabi ng bola. Bakit naman ganito, partner?
Ito na, partner analytics. Neon green.
Neon man, di ba? Meron sa NBA.
Oo.
Sino yung mga commentator
Ayun na, nice shirt.
Nice service.
Sa Captain Ball.
Ay,
Ayun,
Ramos.
Ramos.
Ramos, lobby po.
Uy!
Uy!
Ay, outside out.
Yan si hinahabol yun.
Brad, huwag niyo sabihin yung pangalan, ha?
Okay, hindi namin sasabihin ng pangalan pero matindi ito. Ay, kanino.
Hindi ko kaya.
It's all tied up.
Ito na hinihintay natin, partner. Ito na. Rico Licious. Ayun o. Yun lang.
Okay, half for shot daw sana. Humangin daw, partner. Humangin. May dumangin aeroplano. Kasalanan ng hangin. Yung weather kasi natin ngayon medyo nice.
Sinisip pa sa step pack. Ay, hindi. Ano pala to? Nakita ko. Pal yung dumaan.
Sinisi sa Philippine Airlines. Jana, may service. Preparing.
Okay, Jana, nice. Nice serve, boys. Ramos ulit.
Sinisi, Ramos.
Ay, binalik sa akin, boy. Uy! Uy!
Check ball.
Nice effort. Nice effort sa
Ikaw
Analytics.
pa ulit.
Roland! Yan, sigaw niyo.
Nagkakalito.
Ito na.
Ito na, ito nintay natin.
Ito na.
Wala lang yan
Ito
lang.
ang medyo kakaiba magiging service. Ito pa daw ang ibibigay.
Grabe yun. Grabe.
Sir, paano po ito?
Alam mo, may baby sa pa. Ayun!
What a service. Lance. Nice service. Lance.
Ayun.
Ayan, Ariel. Jana.
Oy, Jana! Yun lang. Yun lang.
Isa pa Lance. Isa pa Lance. Lance, do it for the both times.
Isa pa para dalawang bola.
Dalawang Cubs. Bigyan.
Uy, 20 points na agad. Ganun.
Sabay-sabay, santol, ha?
Ayun!
10 lang. 10 lang.
Sayang.
Special mention po, nandito tayo. Binabasbasan ulit tayo.
10 na, 10.
May basbas na po.
Lance!
10 na po ang ating score.
Ayun na, Captain Gold, Jero.
Wait lang daw po kasi niluluto pa ng scorer.
Grabe naman.
Ayan.
Ayan.
Tabla po tayo ngayon. Jero with the service.
Okay.
Jason,
Uy!
uy. Sorry daw, sorry. Sabi ko
Sorry.
ayusin mo daw Jason, sabi ni Kuya.
Yung edad daw, yung edad. Pasensya.
There's Jero with the service again.
Oy!
Alright, medyo kinapos tayo ng partner.
Napahinga. Nanghina ang Captain Gold natin.
Gusto naman daw sila isa.
Ayan na.
11-11 ang ating score. Jason.
Kilabot ng antipolo.
Alright.
Okay! Ayun, napalakas.
Outside ng ating bola. Let's go Jason, sabi ng analytics.
Angin daw, sabi natin Joey.
Kumangin. Wala bola.
Sino magsaserve?
Service. Alright, Danny with the service
Ayan na,
again.
mag-picture na yung lineman natin. Nakaready na? Yung lineman. Oy, nasa picture.
Shout out.
Shout out sa lineman. Ayun, oh,
Yun,
good.
good to see. Kirby 11.
Kirby. Oy, nice save. Oy.
Oy. With
Oy, good. Oy, oy. Nagigil.
Grabe.
Mainit na yan. Grabe.
Medyo napalakas yung buwelo na from the Cavs.
From the Cubs.
12-11 po ang ating 13-11 po ang ating score in favor of the analytics, of course. Saka tayo 10 puntos ng
May
QI, may dalawa sa analytics.
Napicture na po ng lineman. Ayun na po.
Alright, another service.
Oy, Lance! Ayun lang!
Lance, too strong.
Too strong.
Go, Jen!
Is too
Jen!
strong.
Kapulot!
Alright,
Thank you,
may...
Jen!
Ay, lineman. Pulot. Tamad po yung lineman natin sa QI.
Alright, habang hinihintay natin ang bola, let's hear from the analytics. Ay, ito na pala. Game na.
Okay, nice one.
Another service.
Oy!
Iniwasan.
Yung tuhod, bakit kita ko yung tuhod bumigay?
Time out daw po tayo from the QI
Ano, medyo
15-11 in favor of the analytics all-stars. Grabe partner, ang init ng laban.
nanghina yung
Bakit hindi ganito yung laro ng research?
partner. Ang habol natin is first runner up partner.
Sabi nga ni... Ha? Palito ako?
Quotable quotes from Bon Humarang. Basta ang target natin is first runner up.
Sabi nila partner kapag ka nanalo daw dito ang analytics team, eh, magtutuos daw sila sa championship game.
Meron pa palang round 2 to partner.
May round to ba to? Dahil ito pa lang ang kumbaga testing the waters. Eh. Alright, and mukhang meron tayong substitutions
Rico Licious.
from the quality team.
May paghampas na ng ano, net. Ayan ang gigil na.
Umiinom lang po ng tubig ang ating referee, pero the show must go on. Ayun na, wala daw tubig. Nagreklamo yung referee, wala daw tubig.
Natutuyuan na yung braces ng referee natin.
Let's go.
Patubig nila daw sa tubig.
Alright,
Tuyo na po daw yung braces ng referee namin.
okay. Let's go. Substitution from the Analytics All-Stars. Alright, we have Ian Matt.
Analytics is on a mission, partner. Is on a mission.
Oh, Analytics is on a mission to take revenge from last year's defeat. Remember the 5 sets.
Nako, kung nakasama si Carlo, kailangan naman bantayan ang ating score. Ayan po.
Alright,
Dahil
that's
sir.
the service.
Ay, outside.
Rico, bully mo yun, Rico.
Go,
Ayan na si
Francis.
Jay.
Alright,
Sino naman si Sir?
nasa Francine.
Ramos.
Ang nawawalang anak ni Fernando po.
Fernando po ano?
Senior.
Mini France.
Baby, thanks to you.
Nakalipsik pa yan yung partner. Ay, ayun!
Dahil with the receive, nice to see. Oh, that's it. Maybe, Jason with them outside. At tumalib na sa gitna, right? Alright, so yun. Bola ng Analytics.
Mukhang magiging
Ang ating score, 16-12. 9 points na lang po ang hinahabol ng Analytics All-Stars so that we can proceed to our third and final set.
Mukhang magiging
Makikita ba natin ang third set? Sabi ni Carlo, it's a yes for me with a service and it's
yun lang! Uy,
alright.
score?
Okay, nadagdagan yung score ng Analytics. Bakit? 13-16. 3 points na lang ang lamang ng Analytics All-Stars. Quality risk mitigators with the receive.
Okay, nice to see from
One
Manny.
up in the air.
Jero. Uy, why?
Alright.
Okay.
Alright.
O yun o, inano na.
Uy!
Uy! Uy! Buhay pa rin! Buhay pa po!
Nice.
Uy!
One! Grabe. Carlo making it up for the service error. Now Mark will
Yung score natin, tumang-tuwa. Ayun, yung pinrangos yung score.
Yan na 17-13
17-13 partner.
in favor of the Analytics All-Stars. Mark to serve. It's going to be
Uy!
but it's a no for Francine even if it's yours.
It's a-
Substitution daw po. Quality Analytics.
Ay, magsasab na tayo.
Quality risk mitigator. Substitution.
Substitution.
Ayaw na pong paabutin ni Asuro ng third set. Sabi niya, I'm in.
Mukhang tinapos na ni Asuro.
Mark with the service. And it's no good and it's okay. 14-18 ang ating score. In favor of the Analytics All-Star.
Mukhang
Patindo
papatunayan
with
si
the
Nicky
service.
dito. May papatunayan si
It's
Nicky.
going to be the comeback of the century.
Uy!
Outside. And sabi ni Kirby, okay lang.
Mukhang hindi masaya si Asuro.
5 points difference. 6 points remaining for the Analytics All-Stars. Ni naman with the
Ayun, ayun. Kirby.
Kirby.
Uy, hindi smash. Uy, good.
What a return.
Uy, good.
Great
Uy,
return.
napalakas.
In.
Iba.
Dalawa.
Uy,
What?
Uy,
Habol ni Katindoy and it's going to be in favor of the Analytics All-Stars. Anim na puntos po ang hinahabol ng PY pero 5 na lang
Lima
ang
na lang.
kailangan ng Analytics.
Ang init ang
With the spirit
Yun lang.
outside. Medyo napalakas ng higil tayo doon, kapatid. Pero okay lang. Lamang pa rin, 5 puntos ang hinahabol pero 5 end.
Mahahabol pa kaya to, partner?
Kaya pang habulin to. Analytics team is cheering them on.
Oo, mukhang gigil ang
The analytics team says comeback
Manahimik
is
ang UI natin,
winning.
mukhang pinagpapawisan. Ayan, yung birthday girl to sir.
Birthday. Alright, nice to see. Dahil
Okay,
yung return,
return.
Asuro kanya daw. Carlos, sabi niya, akin din yan. Tirahin mo na, Jero! Pinaso.
Ayun o.
Alright.
Oh, maganda rally.
Ganda na. Nabigyan pa rin kahiya ng miscommunication from the analytics team. Pero lamang pa rin to, 4 na puntos ang hinahabol ng ating quality risk mitigators.
Bibigay kayo ni Rabia, papa-birthday niya kaya to. Okay.
Birthday wish na daw yung partner.
Okay, partner, ito. Uy!
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 Coming in from Mark. Siya na nga ba ang X-Factor na hinihintay ng analytics team?
Sneaky yun,
Partner,
partner.
yung mamamansin mo, no? Siya yung hindi naka-jersey.
Lumusot, partner. Sneaky.
Sneaky. Ay, net pala, net. Net daw, net.
Ay, ayan na po. Okay.
Ano?
Ichi daw, ichi. Overreaching.
Overeating daw po, nasobrahan sa pagkain. Tama daw ang score natin, no?
History ka na kasi.
27, tatlong puntos.
Okay.
Alright.
Oh,
Pa yan,
boy, boy.
Wala pa. Pinalo. Nilising.
Oh,
Binalik.
Oh.
Carlo with the
Carlo.
return. Katindoy. Bang! Kapila! Hindi ba? It's a analytics. Once again, proving that they can come back from this ball game.
Ball
4
don't
points
lie.
remaining with the service coming from
The ball don't lie, partner.
Ball don't lie.
Ayan.
Yes, with the service for the analytics
Team
team.
lang nabitin.
Ayun.
Nabitin.
Isang tira lang pabalik. One score at a time. 4 points pa rin po ang kalamangan ng Analytics All-Stars.
Ayan na po, ito na po. Asuro.
3 points na lang pala.
Bentot to serve.
Bentot. It's
Okay,
bedtime.
Uy, uy.
Ayun.
Ayun lang. Ayun lang.
Ayun lang.
Ayun lang. Nako.
Tinitira talaga yung scorer natin dito.
Oo.
Kasi mukhang may galit.
May dagdag bawas daw. May gustong patuloy.
Bawas. Jero trying to close this game out with 3 scores. Tatlong
Ayun.
puntos. Sigaw ng
Nakuha. Ayun. Uy, dali.
Uy, great communication from the Analytics All-Stars.
Hindi, boy pa.
Carlo.
Boy pa, partner. Boy pa.
Boy pa!
Lang, outside.
Outside
Nice
the
report from Analytics.
point QI. Jason, 6 points ang hinahabol para manalo. Huwag masyadong malakas lamang pa rin po ang ating Analytics team.
Okay.
Nice receive.
Nice to see. Okay.
Alright. Habol.
Uy, lang. Tinamaan ng palakas.
Alright. 2 puntos na lang buong partner ang hinahabol.
Mainit ang laban ng
Sinisigaw ni Ate Joey, 5!
Nagagalit na po.
Wala daw chira ng Analytics.
Okay. Receive.
Sigaw ng Analytics, Jason, lakasan mo!
Uy!
Nice receive. Outside. Isa na lang partner. Jason trying to close this game out. Isang puntos na lang ang kalamangan ng Analytics All-Stars. What a receive. It's going to be in.
Okay.
Clutch play coming from Danny of the Analytics All-Stars.
Picturean ka ng lineman natin yun. Picturean.
Warning! Analytics All-Stars.
Masyadong busy nanonood ng live.
Ay, sorry. Ayun na. Dami to serve.
What a service. And it's
Oy!
going in. Nice
Okay,
receive.
Teo. Uy, nice go! Ramos!
Outside. Alright, and Analytics All-Stars looking to close this out with the service from Danny. Quality trying to regroup.
Gigil ang analytics natin. We are not going down
And
without
it's going to be inside Kirby receiving the ball. Ramos returning the ball. General Mark.
Dahan lang. Slow
With the
and easy.
reverse.
Slow and easy.
Alright.
Asuro. Analytics is not going down without a fight.
We are not going home.
It's not
On to the third set.
Analytics is not going down without a fight. Kailangan
Hindi tayo nagkamali dito, grabe.
Kailangan mag-return din ng QI.
Grabe, pinagpapawisan na ako dito. Moral victory para sa research na talo din ng quality. Let's go Analytics.
Yung captain ball natin.
Captain Ball.
Jero.
Captain Ball.
Jero, pwede natin konting interview. Ano nagbago sa second set, brother?
Yun. X-Factor na right? Kasi dahil. Oo.
Shoutout kay Danny.
Part ng punto ng improvement bilang analytics team.
Ang dami
So far, meron pa din sabi ng analytics team partner, X-Factor daw si Mark. Oh, just to let you know, naka 6 points si Mark.
6 points, grabe. Si Danny, most improved player.
Delena with the 7 points.
Ang dami sinasabi ng official.
Kaya yung sinasabi, mag-appreciate ka na lang daw. Alright, for the third set, 15 points lang ang nahabol natin.
Picture mo ng UI.
Analytics, picture muna bago matalo. Ay, yun lalo.
Grabe. Ganon ka-confident ang UI. Nag-picture muna.
Alright,
Ito ang Judas ng QI.
the Judas of QI.
Guys, ito po yung Judas sa inyo.
Hudas ng QI nandito po, nag-cheer para sa analytics. Again, reminder lang po sa both teams natin. This is race to 15. Change court tayo after 8 points.
Change short after 8 points. Ayun,
Ayan,
nag-picture na rin ang
analytics, magpipicture na din. Ayan, with the X factors. Ayan.
Partner, hindi ko na alam kung sino mga ano, Yamato.
Sa tingin mo sino nalaman dito mo? Alright, grabe na po tayo. And of course, we would like to thank our sponsors, Belgian Waffles, baka naman.
Si Athens Best, like to thank for the coffee.
And Starbucks Coffee. Guys, hindi ko namin pasalamatan ng Sisigat. Sisigat Pares lang po mula sa ating ano.
Okay, nagpahinga muna po yung Captain Ball ng
Tell you all to take a seat on this one. Will join us later on to join the commentary. But the X Factor, sabi nga ng Captain Ball, is Mark.
Nandiyan na po. Anong
Sending in the ball game. Danny also in.
Dani, di ano, ka-analytics.
Service ng quality. Ito, spend pala. Service.
Service ng analytics.
Service by Analytics. Toss coin rules. Rep, gusto mo sa kabila para hindi ka maingayan. Okay na. Okay, sige. Ma'am.
Ayan na, ang X Factor to serve.
Alright, X Factor to serve and open this third set. Service.
Oy!
Alright, the service is two small celebration coming from Mark.
Coming in hot, analytics.
Coming in hot, aiming for the MVP.
Partner,
Mark
grabe.
Makuntay.
Nagulat siya sa doon, hindi mo alam yung reaction.
Mag-backup sana ako ng konting fun fact kay Mark, kaso baka hindi ako makauwi.
Ang ending natin, partner, makauwi.
Mga natatagong sikreto.
Captain Ball, anong pinago natin sa sa strategy natin?
Nasok na namin yung secret weapon namin si Jets. Ayun.
Si Jets.
And it's going to be outside, sabi ng lineman. May
Jets.
score pa rin ng analytics doon, sabi ng scholar natin.
Si Jets at si Carlo, leading analytics.
Alright. Sana, sino?
Okay. Si Ramos to serve.
Ramos to serve.
Okay, seryoso na. Hindi kang kita.
Partner, may dating vlogger to eh.
Vlogger ba ito dati?
Oo.
Parang Twitter partner.
Oh,
Ayun,
it's
si
going
Jets.
in. Nice receive.
Okay,
Carlo, the return.
Okay.
Going back to the left. Danny with the receive. And it's going to be,
Ay, oh.
okay, tumama daw kay birthday girl. Sorry daw, sabi.
Birthday ni Carlo, pa-birthday ni Carlo.
Okay, 2-1 po ang ating puntos in favor of the quality team.
Race to 8 partner ha? Change short,
Again,
race to
partner, ang ano natin dito kanina, nag-lead.
Oy, boy pa. Okay, boy pa kay Dani. Oy! Outside.
Outside.
5 more points.
3-1.
Bago magaling.
3-1 in favor of the quality team. Analytics coming from behind.
Oy!
Nice.
Boy pa! Mechanical miscommunication partner.
Konting miscommunication ng partner.
Wala
Ano
na
sabi
sabi
ng analytics, kaya gawa din
Partner, parang pili ko lang iba yung tempo ng QI.
Medyo sineryoso na nila.
Oy! Outside.
Outside ka. In?
Analytics.
Analytics.
Mga nag-iba yung tempo ng QI.
Outside.
Okay, challenge.
Challenge! Challenge! Wala kayong challenge! Amuni mo na lang siya ng sack race mga yan.
Oh. Oy! Nagkabila, nagulat.
Bigla po tayo dito. 5-2 in favor of the quality team.
5-2, 3
Tayo
points. Bago
sa ating
mag-ano.
analytics all-stars.
Okay.
Hindi naman all-stars yan.
Ito naman yung MVP. Okay, Darren, nice
Nice
receive.
receive.
Okay.
Let's
Oh,
go.
pero 2 more points na lang po bago mag-change score.
2 more
2
points.
more points.
Okay, time out daw po, sabi ng analytics.
Time out po tayo.
2-6 po ang ating score in favor of the quality team. And again, we are racing to 15, 11 points na lang ang kailangan ng quality team in order to complete the championship run.
Okay, mukhang nag-re-strategize sa partner.
Meron din nga konting mensahe dito, partner, mula sa makakalaban ng susunod ng analytics team.
Sino ang partner? Sino?
Sabi ng makakalaban ng analytics next game, humanda na kayo.
Ayun, partner. May preview na tayo, partner.
May preview na tayo.
Bigil, partner.
Sabi ng research, kaya-kaya.
Sino bang MVP ng research partner?
Research, ang MVP natin, Dabasol.
Gabasol. Ayun, yung line na
Yan. Talaga, kumukuha na lang ano eh.
para
Ng info.
i-review ng research. Yun talaga yung purpose nun.
Marami na pang bumubulong dito, ang pagkain, nasaan? Wala daw pagkain. Sabi ni Alden Richards, kunin niyo daw sa Baguio!
Yung referee ba kung pagkain? Dapat hindi na partner.
Okay na yun.
Okay na yan. Ayun o. Oy, MVP.
Alright, nice.
Okay.
Alright, what a return.
Oy!
Oy.
Oy pa! Oy, si Jeron! Oy!
Partner, kung hindi mo matatanong, ito na yung ito na yung substitution daw for the analytics team.
Next up.
Okay, may injury in the ball game. Alright, ayun na, coming in.
Ayun na. Bagong pasok to, partner.
Another X factor.
Ayun na, nakaready na
RJ coming in with many fans. Sinisigaw ng analytics, go RJ.
Ayun. Ayun lang!
Hindi sila nabitin.
Kulang sa
Change
one
tayo.
Change court. Change court.
Yan, tama yan.
Nainitan si
8-2. So, analytics going to the right side of the scorer's table. Quality on the left. 8-2 ang ating score. 7 puntos na lang, partner.
Ito na ba, partner?
Tapos yung next game, battle for...
Partner, meron tayong bumabanggis. Shoutout kay Sir Jonas.
Ay, Sir Doran. Shoutout, Sir. Pag hindi daw nanalo analytics,
Gary! Wala!
wala nang bat.
In your face! Sabi mo na Suro! Take your right and see! In your face, Asuro! May gigil.
Masisira ba ang laro ni Asurog because of that gameplay?
Sabi ng analytics,
10 points na po mga kapatid. 10 puntos.
kahit sabi ng analytics, kahit may
Lima na lang. Sabi ni Francine, Jumping Jackson ako dito. Okay na yun.
nakascore na naman kay Ben.
Panalo na naman ng akong win the confidence. Cross the quality team.
Good.
Analytics trying to make a comeback. Go RJ, sabi ng analytics. Bumay pa ang bola. RJ once again. Nagkalituhan. Nagkahiyaan parang may pass. Awkward. Awkward. Alright, analytics. 4 points away. Make that 3.
Na sin zone. Gusto lang natin, check kay Ben. Ilang daliri ang hawak ko, Ben?
Ben.
Four.
Good pa yan. Pwede pa yan. So talagang headband yan. Baka kailangan. Pero quality team. 3 points away from the championship.
Tatapusin na kayo ng MVP.
MVP trying to end this. Mark receiving.
Okay.
Nice jab. Oh! And it's going to be outside.
Feeling ko, partner, naghahanap si Ben ng pagkakataon.
Oo. Sino ba, Je? Layo-layo na daw dyan. Dyan, service. Malayo-layong lakbay ang gagawin ng analytics team dito. Pero 1 point at a time. Ngayon daw, sabi ni
Tatapusin
Francis.
ni Ben.
Ben! Oy! And too small Sally.
Nagsatin kay Gerald.
Too small Sally. Coming in. 2 points remaining po para sa quality risk mitigators.
Matatapos na
Dalawang
kaya dito
puntos
pa
sila.
lang.
Birthday girl with a service. Ito naman ang birthday wish. And it's going to be
Goodbye.
Nice hit.
Nice hit.
Hello, Rob. Again. Oy! Nice luck. Collateral right.
Drop that ball.
Down, making the place. Analytics will not go down without a fight.
It's not over, partner. Bilog ang bola.
It's not over.
Bilog ang bola, partner.
Gagawin natin oblong ang bola kung kinakailangan.
Partner, hindi sumuko ang captain ball. Rabia! Boy, atin sa
Sabi ko,
boy!
Mine, sana binigay mo na lang.
Sabi ni Ate Jolie.
RJ trying to make a comeback. Service.
Ay, sorry.
Tumama ka, Ben. Tumama ka, Ben, Rek. Okay.
Ayun na, Asuro.
Asuro.
Tapusin na ba
Trying to end this Jets high through the block. Playing the mental game. Asuro. Oh! Service ace to end the ball game. Quality team takes game
It's the
3.
game. Asuro ends the game, partner.
Analytics trying to make a comeback from the heartbreak loss. Quality team making a statement.
Partner, feeling
They
ko
are the champion.
naging alay yung mukha ni Ben. Naging alay yung mukha ni Ben. Kaya
Sabi ng analytics na injured kasi si Carlo. Oo. Kung wala ang 100% ng analytics, walang binatbat ang quality team.
Sir,
Walang-wala.
Sir, ano sa tingin niya naging ano ng laban? Naging
Sinong X-Factor?
X-Factor. Si RJ.
RJ.
Si RJ.
RJ tried to make the X.
Aalis na po ang official.
Kilay still maintaining.
And the MVP for this game, we have Kirby Delena. Talaga naman maintaining with 9 points. Better team talaga sila. Better team.